Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hang on, let's see if Jimmy's here. No, not yet. Anyway, what are we doing today, everybody? Happy day. It is Thursday, Thirsty Thursday, I call it. Anyway, congratulations. We listed 148 homes yesterday. That is fantastic. We have 26 days of inventory, and that's fantastic. We keep those numbers right in there, and we need to list more homes. That's the message. List more homes. The $1 million plus homes are selling at 5.2 a day. Record numbers, never happened, and that's amazing. Investors are still out there buying and selling. That's good. We're selling 121 homes a day in April, and year to date we're selling 123. So we're going to be right in that area probably the rest of the year, I would suspect. And of course, when I say these things, my predictions are based on things not drastically changing in the world. So you never know, though. But we have to go with what we know, and we have to be prepared all the time for whatever. So as we've learned over the years, I think, see this median price? We're going to talk about that for a second. Let's talk about the median price. Look at this, everybody. Right now, when I went into the MLS, the median price was $475,000. So if you're out there, have a farm, start doing CMAs for the people that have equity in their homes, because whether they want to move up or move down, this is a time to make the move, because the interest rates are going to probably go up. We see that our productivity as a country is down. We see prices going up, and this is going to mean mysteries for the interest rates. I don't want to predict anything about that, because I just don't know. I know that there is a gal who is predicting that they will definitely go up, and I know Jimmy believes that they will go up, and I'm just like, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We have a lot of things going on in our world today, so you can use the median price. If you sold homes back in 2017, 2018, I mean, look at the equity gain people have. And so if in your farm, you need to look at Remine or whatever source you use to find out, what they paid for their home. Remine will tell you. Realist Tax will tell you. And you can go in there, and Realist is great. It'll tell you, whether they refinanced or what they did. And then you can use that number to encourage them that maybe this is the time, if they want to move up, if they want to move down. And in my class that Jimmy and I teach, Be the CEO of Your Life, I talk about, there's so many different opportunities if you just dig into the data. If someone lives in a 2-story home and they've been there for 20 years, well, they might be ready to downsize. They might be ready to, go to a single story. So you can reach out to these people with a compelling statement that, look, you've got $100,000, $200,000 equity in your home. If you're going to make a move, this might be the right time. And because our median is up, it may not stay up, but right now they have equity that they can draw upon. They can sell their home, and perhaps, if they paid $200,000 for it in 2017, why not sell it, take the cash, move up, move down, whatever they want to do. Maybe they want to buy an investment property. Maybe they want to say, well, I'm going to keep my 2-story home because my family comes. Say, well, why don't you take some equity out and buy an investment property and get some income coming in, because rents are high. And while the interest rates are still reasonable, it might be the time to consider that. So there's all types of ways you can use the home equity.